Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
May Kwah ay pigi dikorup niya don lang. Wala na biang singa keran kan biang lada kam biang kamangi habat pen kre biang pada segiwe pat kilat singa ki. Ke menjor.
Presiden Kakasi Student Union Samlalam Bok Starwell Marngar ulakin tu Myntri ke Sorkar jela bagi ban Sangeh Shwa ke jing dawai ke Lynti rel Katba ke jela Meghalaya keempat don ke inline permit ke bakanglar ke jingwan rung kerthep jagi menderi bagi beri ke panabar habakan jikilar pathai ke bor ha ke jing tur Shwa jing darba thawan ke jela ha ke step ke wetrik leber arjar pausan unu no yalam jong ke KSU lakin thoru holo ke jingwan ra jong ke Sorkar ya ke Meghalaya Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act dah kebaong bagi Sorkar ke dewan pendam mardor ya ke nikaan namar bakla penyap no ya ke Meghalaya Land Transfer Act pada ke 6 schedule.
Nilap hak aku bor jungi sebo pada juga bor kan ini ke singiru untang semang kenderaan ditren usbasa itu ki Myntri Sorkar di nomik mak Sorkar Kwah Sangeh Palat Sangeh anak pak ekran viral ko jala jungi kapan pelak beterikan ka fi ko jala jungi di ka Sorkar li ka don juga majority kum bagalong betang if boldo sebagai di kejing keli kalong ba kini kini dan nong thawan yang lebih biar kini bersnap kan snow kan kini kejing azimut bol balang namar maki di nomi kini persen nam tau pat ba hari mencut tombor pat ba snow ba kini kelapan dia lalu jelah keren siam keren sepanta jeng agam ajam ong siam kini siam jeng kini factory cement plant kan mau dikasih ki okam untuk ai kejing mentoy ni ayo tang dak don lupa ngila ada lupa kesaki satar sawana sekani lilam sejaka puta tip ke tujuk kadut kasin yukam nek siyo tang kitu nong upgrade kinong penkhoj kimik kinong sar de katamo tane kalong ka kadi kecing yam kecing nyar kun samla ko jela jingi kam jam ini kimut pensobha ini seberi sobha kalian juga setengah semua gilik iki bomlak ban yet bomlak ban kentiu ke cak menteri semua kemlak ada juara takaan baong ban agi cimentoy teril di muluk ta dengan sutnak ke kamu kelong matang iba projek kang ba tang projek kang berdilam ke cakap
niat makin disponsor
untuk di tang arus diberi ban penyat ya kan dan menolak ban bu jingkeli buat syukur kena melak bu jingkeli melak bu jore atau kata ki ong bagi hayat lomba kelas sesat kin buram ni kesik sedu del ada lupa ki berswa beli kin ya ke ti pejak nusa beli pen majang kene del kata nogrem iba kini kim dei ki la bu kata nogrem kata Lynti kong ba maki kin long kin ram ki kat ki mah pendilam bai kimi thu sik sedu tu kimi thu ka ter aksu ini ki beri ini ki tang persubah na sebab kata selesai tu ba mut ban lilam ba ni tang lilam i mut siap tu lilam lot ka kendo ko siap ka jala jo ina kaliang dungi kum kaki isu kum ma cukran bun sin wala ya de Lynti bara persno long ba hamadan ada gi long kaliang persa Sorkar jadi ko sar ka thom ko bo ki Sorkar so thu ni ki banjir bakin ti ka jaj beliau ni bakin ti no faan bakin jaj Dero tak kenogram nak kalian keseng isten lega keruang hak keruang besar Sorkar bercaburo tentuan Katba nak kalian juga seng gap hak kata khas perangkat jumut ini hari sosial kelong bagi kita kiba buat kubor ki pada songsuki ki iba mau jadi akai pada kawai jong cak ni hari kata kenogram bagi kalian keseng i hak keruang seburo ini ki podok pasnam gede ki nomitman kusiar pada kai kusi jong cak.
Outside companies came here, you will not get employment. Local people will not get employment. They will get only grade C, grade D. The grade A, grade B, they will not get. If compared to what the government is, their job, like in the government. So we are thinking, we are saying that this is not a friendly act, people-friendly act. And creating of land banks is very dangerous because if you lease out huge acres of land, lots of acres of land to private investors, then we stand to lose. Apart from land, we lose our employment opportunities. We lose almost everything. It is not people-friendly. As a matter of fact, this act will only benefit a few people. You see, there is a saying in Khasi, Karoi Kapar, and we can understand that Roi means development, and Par might mean progress or crawl. Out here in our state, if the government talks about progress, it means that the people will have to crawl. Because if railway come, we understand very well that the magnitude of the influx from outsiders will be aggravated, will become more and more. And we can see that in certain states like in Nagaland, we can see in Dimapur, the population of the Naga has become a minority in front of outsiders. And ILP in Nagaland is not in the entire state. It starts only from Chumukudima. And if you go to Dimapur, we can see the reality of what happens in Dimapur, what happens in Nagaland. We understand that railway is important. Certain people are saying that if railway comes, then essential commodities will be cheaper. But if we look, Shillong is only 100 kilometers from Guwahati, and Imphal is around 300 kilometers from Guwahati. But why are essential commodities cheaper in Manipur than in Meghalaya? That is the question. That is the question. And Manipur also doesn't have railway. So we cannot just say that railway can, yes, it might bring some benefit, but we can understand that it is more of a boon than a boon. Because it will bring influx, and if influx come, then we will be reduced to minority into our own land. Therefore, before introducing railway into our state, we need comprehensive mechanisms to tackle influx, to check the flow of outsiders into our state. That is what I was saying earlier, that this is just a simple protest. We will be forced to increase the magnitude of our protest if the government went on deaf ears. Yes, we want a total repeal, but it depends on the government also, because as we can see, there are many clauses in the act which is very authoritarian in nature. Say for example, the governing council has complete authority over to decide who will get lease, which land they can acquire, and they cannot also be taken into they can be taken by the law or being punished by the law if they commit any offense. So that is a very dangerous, very authoritarian. There are many points in which I cannot spell out each and every clause here, but in our memorandum we have mentioned specifically which are the points that the ASU is opposed.
Kerpat kirkot tulong biasa kapan yang keren sebut pos sekretariat itu unik bah kirkot kan ya habis pok kabar sekretariat bat kai bami kata jia keren nak kalian dini kompini lam sebenarnya tip kirkot baru bat ya ka tada kai bami tak bang bom hontu nak kalian kaseng ni sesong seperkat ya goi bat kilat di sejam nang ni sakmat nasukan tu tang tai kirkot begin long biasa and up ai ke wakabat karai bami sebut keren Sorkar yang seperkat bami nak tak jia keren sebut por sahaja in up sipor arpor yang sa pet tolong keman ko
The protocol biang kami kata. Biang. Kawai so pi ba ya kan kaan ngila ada pulil kan ikendon iwei bangi lai ikendon di bakta mat yong bahaya ka jenglong tera ke jengi kendon ko siap bangi nyai persya bet kita ikendon la de ngilek sibet sekretariat bangi Kwah ipi di korup pinya don lang bala de biang ke jengi keran kan biang la da kam biang kemengi habat pen kre biang pada segi wei pat kilat jengi ki ke menjor Yes,